In this very quick demo video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a SyncMSG campaign so that you can sync anyone to 3 of the most powerful lead platforms in existence. So I'm on the campaign dashboard now. This is a brand new fresh account. I'm going to click on create new. Also during this demo video, I'm going to show you the applications of the software. So once it's created, I'm going to show you how you can actually use it to start getting leads. So before we get to that, let's set up the campaign. So I'm going to name this Demo 1. I'm going to select an autoresponder. I'm going to select an email list. You can select any email list you like. For the email addresses to be synced to, remember these are 100% verified email leads. These are not fake email addresses that people can enter to get access to what you're offering. I've selected an email list, and then we have the redirect link. Now the redirect link is basically a thank you page. It's the page they land on after they have accepted permissions for you to get their email address, as well as to subscribe them to Facebook push notifications so you can send them Facebook notifications in the future. What you can do is either enter a thank you page URL here, or your website for example, or you can enter a Facebook page ID here, and anyone who accepts permissions will automatically be redirected to a messenger conversation. And if they message your page inside that messenger conversation, they will then be triggered as a messenger subscriber too. So that's 3 different types of leads in one process without any confusing funnels and without losing any engagement. It's basically the ultimate form of diversification of reaching your audience. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to enter a Facebook page ID. I'll enter a URL such as my website. So let's enter a website URL here. And then we have the option to set up a button campaign, which will just be a button you can place anywhere. This can be any web page you like. It's just a simple placement of a button, and which will initiate the whole syncing process. So if you have an existing sales page, for example, you can go ahead and you can add this button to that sales page, any squeeze page, landing page, any page you like. But for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to go with my favorite option, which is the landing page option. So instead of having to place this button yourself, the landing page option actually allows you to just customize a very high converting landing page. It's very clean, it's very visually appealing, and it converts really, really well. And all you have to do is edit this template and the button will be placed automatically for you. So it's very, very user friendly if you want to get a campaign going on the fly. So I'm going to select landing page. I'm going to click on next. And here we go. This is the landing page. And as you can see, it's very, very clean. It's very easy on the eyes and it converts really, really well. So this is just a template. You can go ahead and you can edit this however you like. You can replace this logo with your logo. You can replace the background with an image. You can change the background color. I'm not going to do that for now. What I'm going to do is I'm actually not going to change the logo either. I'm going to change the headline. So let's say on this landing page, I'm giving away my top 10 ad templates. Okay, I'm giving away my top 10 Facebook ad templates. I'm not going to edit anything else about the headline, but as you can see, you can edit just about everything about it. Then the sub headline, I'm going to say, click the button below to get instant access to our top 10 ad templates. And again, this can be customized to anything you want. I'm just keeping it brief for the sake of time of this demo video. Again, you can edit the font size, the margins. If you want to add a bit more space on the top, a bit more spacing on the left or right of it, you can do so using the margins here. You can edit the text color. And then what you can do is you can change this to an image or a video in the middle. So if you want to have a video here of your product or whatever you're giving away, or if you just want to be on camera a bit with your prospects, you can do that here. But I'm going to keep this as the default image. You can, of course, replace this image with anything you want. Then we've got the button settings. So by default, it says sign up with Facebook, but you can edit that to anything you want. I'm going to make this a bit bigger, 24 font size. The border radius is the corners of the button. So I just want a little bit of a curve on the button. Then we've got our padding. So I want to add a bit more padding on the top and bottom. And let's say we want to make the button a bit wider on each side. There we go, that looks a lot better. Then we can edit the background color and the font color. Let's make it green. Okay, and then we've got our footer settings. You can edit this to anything you want. We just have this on all of our landing pages by default. Then you can edit your footer link settings. You can enter your privacy policy, which is required obviously if you're going to be collecting email leads. Very easy to generate these by doing a simple Google search for privacy policy for Facebook generators. There's plenty of them available, and you just insert your business name and they auto generate one for you. So I'm going to enter a random link here. This is not a live link, but just for the sake of this video and for keeping it brief, I'm going to insert that, and I'll insert another one here. Again, it's not a live link, but just to keep the video brief, I'll keep it as that. And then page settings, you've got all of your SEO settings here. So I could say something like top 10, add templates, download, and then we've got our keywords and our description. I'll leave those empty for the purpose of the video. And then we have pixel codes. So you can actually insert your Facebook pixel into this page automatically, and you can then retarget people who land on your landing page. You can also enter any other codes here, such as Google Analytics or any other third-party code you can insert into this landing page. So as you can see, it's basically like having your very own landing page builder, but you're getting an actual template that's proven to convert right inside of SyncMSG. You just fill out the template. It's very easy to create campaigns on the fly, and it's 100% compliant with Facebook. So I'm going to click on Save and Publish. It tells me the campaign is saved successfully. And then all I have to do is I have to click on this button under Action. I select my Facebook app, and it provides me with a script code. All I have to do now is upload to this hosting or my server, which I have already done for the convenience of this video. So I've gone to the URL where I uploaded that script. As you can see, we've got our logo here, we've got the headline, we've got the sub headline, the image, and we've got our links at the bottom here. And we've got, of course, the most important part, the button, which we didn't have to customize at all when placing in between codes. It's all placed for us. Click on sign up with Facebook, and there we go. It goes ahead. We can customize all of this. You can customize the icon. You can customize this right here. So you can replace this with your brand name, for example. We'll receive your public profile and email address. I click on continue, and remember, I'm acting as the prospect now. So what it's going to do now is it's going to redirect me to the URL I set in the actual campaign setup process. That's how easy it is to set up a SyncMSG campaign from start to finish. Now that we've set up a campaign, I just want to very quickly explain that this was a landing page campaign. You can, of course, create a button campaign. So if you have an existing website or an existing landing page, you only need to place that button instead of creating a landing page from a template like we just did. So I just created a landing page for the purpose of this demo video to show you how easy it is to initiate the syncing process within Facebook. So now that I've accepted permissions as the prospect, I'm now synced to my email list and Facebook push notifications inside of SyncMSG. And I can go and I can broadcast Facebook notifications to this person anytime I want. Or I can log into my autoresponder and I can send them an email. Or if I had redirected them to Messenger in the campaign, I can log into my Messenger bot, because we integrate with all third-party Messenger bots, and we can actually broadcast a message to that person inside of the Facebook inbox. So now that we've gone over a brief overview of setting up a campaign and how easy it can be, I want to show you the applications of the software and how you can use it inside of Facebook, for example. Off of Facebook is pretty obvious. It's already on a website or landing page. So any visitors to that landing page or that website can use the sign up process by clicking the button. But how do we actually get traffic from Facebook? So what we can do is we can grab the URL where we uploaded the script, okay, the script I showed you over here. The URL where we upload the script, we just grab that out of the address bar quick. So now I'm on my Facebook page, and let's assume I'm making a Facebook post to my fans. So I can go ahead and I can type something along the lines of, hey, we're getting amazing feedback on our ad templates. For the next few hours, we're allowing you to download them free of charge. And then we can paste the link in here. And that's literally how simple it is to have them then go ahead and click on this and be taken to the landing page that I showed you about a minute ago, and you can start syncing people to 3 different platforms. Or what you can do, another application would be to be a normal post. So let's say we upload an image of something random. Let's say another article from another brand, for example, one of our partners. And just at the bottom, let's say this is fuller content. Just at the bottom, we can insert our link. So at the bottom of every single post we make on our Facebook page will be that link, and people can click on that and they can go to the landing page and they can start syncing to our different platforms. So that's one application of the SyncMSG software. Another one, which is very cool, is to use it within groups. Okay, so we've covered Facebook pages. It can be used in the exact same way within Facebook groups, and you can use it within the Facebook Messenger. So I own a company called MessageHero.com, and this is one of our accounts. What I can do now is I can set up a messaging funnel. Let's name this Demo SyncMSG. I can create a message so that when people say hi to our Facebook page, I can send them a message. So for example, thanks for inquiring about our ad templates. Click the download button below to get instant access. Now, this is obviously not taking into account any copywriting skills or anything. I'm just showing you briefly how to create a message and deliver the lead magnet within the message. So obviously you can apply your different copywriting skills here, add emojis, that kind of thing. But what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to add a button, and I'm going to say download, and I'm going to make it a website link. I'm going to say add, click on publish, and it's now published. So I'm in a third-party Facebook account now, and if I message the SyncMSG page with the keyword I set up, it's going to send that message within Messenger, and they could click on download, and it's actually going to redirect them to the landing page we set up, and there we go. It's our exact landing page, and we can start syncing these people from Messenger to our email list, Facebook push notifications, and of course they're already a Messenger subscriber if you're using Messenger. An alternative application would be to name this button subscribe, and they click through there and they can subscribe. So those are some applications of this very, very powerful brand new software, SyncMSG, which allows you to sync prospects to 3 of the most powerful platforms with the highest open rates in one simple process. The usual process is to send them through confusing funnels, trying to get people on your email list to your Messenger list, and vice versa. It breaks engagement, it decreases conversions, and it ruins the relationship that you have with your leads. This is all one simple process. It's very easy to set up, and it's applicable to literally any business you can think of. So thanks for your time and for watching this demo video.